Hey gang, Amy Harbor here with another Imperfect Foods unboxing. That's right, we're gonna unbox the imperfect things that aren't perfect for the grocery store, the commercial ones, but they're completely edible. Yes, and there's some holiday fun inside too. So let's start off with some of that. I got some Nutty Toffee morsels. So excited. They are milk chocolate covered toffee chunks with almonds. Yay. And what would Thanksgiving be without cranberries? Okay, here's the deal. I like to make my own cranberry sauce, but then put it in a can so that you get that can effect, but it's also homemade. So there's another ingredient coming up that will help with that. We've got some carrots. Look at that one. That's just like little imperfect. That one's, yep. And then we've got apples. And then I got a fun item that I have no clue how to eat, but we're going to figure it out. I got persimmons, so if you can tell me what to do with the persimmons, please tell me. I got a whole bunch. These lemons are huge. I got a whole bunch of lemons because I've been drinking some bone broth, and adding just a little bit of lemon to the bone broth makes it chef's kiss amazing. Oh, found another persimmon. Then we have some pears. And it wouldn't be Thanksgiving also without some sweet potatoes. I'm doing a little solo Thanksgiving, just me and the cat. She will get some turkey. One more sweet potato. I got myself a little snack. Some organic grass-fed beef bites in teriyaki. So excited to try those. Oh, found yet another. Got some uncured bacon ends and pieces. These are great when you're making some Brussels sprouts, or, so, you just want a little bacon, but you don't want the full strip. You can just use the pieces. Bacon bits for your salad. And then finally, I got orange juice. And here's the deal. You take this, a little brown sugar, a little honey. You're going to have an awesome cranberry sauce, and then you pour it into a can and you let it solidify. Then you put a plate over it, flip it over, cut the can. It looks just like the can. So that is everything from my Thanksgiving box. If you want to join the food revolution and help stop food waste, like and subscribe, whichever corner it shows up in. I never know. And also, leave me a comment and I will get you $10 off your first box. Until next time, keep cooking imperfect.